One thing that I realized when it comes to fix and flips or renovating properties, you should partner with somebody that really knows how to measure out, budget for the costs. So, two things. Number one is you have to buy it right. Always be looking, and if it's not a great deal, right, where you can make it work, you could buy it and sell it right away. You could buy it, fix it, and flip it long term. You got to have a few ways to exit the deal. But one thing that I see people making the biggest mistake on is if you buy a property and then you essentially either buy it too high, so there's not enough space there for you to make money. And then the other thing I see is if you are miscalculating your cost of renovation and what it's actually going to cost you to get this place looking nice. If you pay attention to those things, you should be able to do plenty of flips because we all know there's a lot of deals out there.